Okay, so I've got the box where you can't see my information, and there are some other stuff on the side of the box with the build number and all that, so I can't really show you guys that. But now that we're in a controlled environment, I can do this, and we can see what's inside and how they actually pack the box. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Unit 406. And we have the beta tester unit. This is nice. Got some fatter pins on the side. That'll be good for the thinner pins in the center. Because normally it is the side pins that get messed up. Okay. I'm going to do this. There's a little sticker right there with some information. That's the back side. And fairly weighty, a little bit heavier on the bottom, and you can tell why they put the mounting holes in the bottom. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Some stickers. Gotta love stickers, guys. Beta tester. Heck yeah. Okay. Vacuum nipples. Yes, that's a good idea for sure. And also their breather. Very standard. And this is that pin that Luke was talking about. I was actually very excited to see this pin. And they got their branding on it. Nice. Look at that. Cool. This is a marking pen, and you can see on the inside you can mark along this, and you can write on that. Okay. It's one nice long sheet of bubble wrap. Alright, looks like we got an O2 sensor. It's like Christmas. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Looks like it's a 6-pin. I'm not sure if this is a Bosch 4.7 or a 4.9 or even a Bosch, to be honest. Ah, 4.9. Nice. Alright. Okay, looks like we have our electrical stuff. Some inline fuses and some wire nuts as well. Looks like they even give you the big battery post ones I was talking about, so that'll be good. Yeah, it's just in one piece of bubble wrap. It's pretty nice, actually. And we've got mounting screws, probably. Yep, mounting screws. And this is a O2 sensor, bung, and plug as well, which is nice. It's a nice little hex one too. Cool. And your wiring harness, they really do give you a lot for your money. If you're hesitant for it, these are nice connectors. This is nice wire. This is not cheap wire, guys. It is really good connectors. Weatherproofed, weather sealed. Sorry for the framing. They do a great job. Gotta admit. And then they're so responding to the community right now. And they give you a lot of stuff. Yeah, this is some good rubber. Okay, and this is gonna be one of our units right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Carb cheater. This is hefty too. It's a nice weight to it. Okay, so this is the actuator. It's gotta be, and the sensor, all in one. 4-pin and the 3-pin right there, and that would be this 4-pin, this 3-pin, and this has got to go to the unit. Okay. All right, and this is, if you order the Carb spacer unit, you're gonna get these studs. These are extended studs for your carburetor, and you're gonna get this at the bottom. I figured, I do have I do have my 340. This will be going on my 260Z with the inline 6. But I do have the 340 with a 4-barrel carburetor. And, it just makes sense to go ahead and grab this while we are here. We're going to be beta testers. Might as well grab the spacer at the same time. So this is a phenolic spacer. You get 2 regular fiber gaskets. And this feels like a really nice phenolic spacer. Unfortunately, I do feel a little bit of surface area right there. Not totally sure what's up with that. It's got to be their passes that they do on this. But why would they've got wear on their machining. Whenever they go one way, it wears nicely, and then it goes the other way, it starts to chatter and stuff. This is nice right here. So, there's a little lip. I would just take a little skim on it, but if you can see, it's not even there. You're not catching it with your nail, really. It's fine. So this is the main part right here. Feels almost like denim. The main hole they got going on. You see the so I believe these are directional. So you will have to, that's why it has the T on it, top. Yeah, these are directional. So whenever you do these, do remember that. So extra 4-barrel spacer, extra long studs. This is your main powerhouse right here, guys. We've got a filter for it to breathe, right? You got your sensor, probably right here. You got your sensor and your go line, your breather valve. You've got your really nice wiring harness with really nice wire protection. You've got heat shrink on the ends to act like boots, weather stripping and weather grommets for your connectors, extra gaskets. You got your beta tester unit, so whenever you might not be able to have the beta tester unit anymore. These do have an extra relay in them, activator wire. And you can also order the clamp-on kit for your O2. And, the O2 is a secondary option too. And relays, electrical connections, and your eyelets, mounting screws, complimentary pen I've been dreaming about, literally, vacuum ports, some hose, and stickers. Not too bad, not too shabby. I'm excited to get at it. We're gonna be going through this. It shouldn't be too much work. On my other video, I showed you the car with my hazard lights and my O2 wideband from Innovate, the wires for that. So this, you know, you can compare something DIY versus something that you've bought from a guy that had a dream, you know, and providing pretty good labor and equipment. If this stuff works, you know, I'd be pretty happy. Definitely happy I'm a beta tester for sure. So let's get this in the car. Wasted about 10-20 minutes doing a video. So let's get to action and actually start doing this. First, stickers.